Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be going over a quick recipe on how to make guacamole. We're going to start with our ingredients here. You're going to need a little bit of cilantro, onion, tomato, jalapeno, lime, and of course avocado, as well as some salt. Now some of these ingredients, like these ones up here, that's all up to preference. If you don't like any of those, feel free to leave it out. We're going to start by picking an avocado. You want to make sure that it's ripe. If not, it's not going to come out right. So once you get that set, cut your avocado in half, and we're going to take the seed out here. It works. Now you want to cube it up inside, so be sure to cut some lines in it like so. Be sure not to cut the skin, and be careful not to cut your hand. Alright. And once you get that in, you can go ahead and get a spoon and start scooping it out, and be sure to pour it into a bowl. Keep that bowl next to you. Alrighty. We're going to do that with the rest here. Alright, next step is mashing up the avocado, just so we can get that consistency in. You want to grab a fork and just mush it up. Right after that, we're going to be adding all of our ingredients. Your goal here is to make sure there aren't any solid pieces left. If you like it that way, you can leave it that way. Again, all of this is up to preference. Alright, this is how ours looks. And almost no solid pieces left at this point. So we're going to go ahead and start adding our ingredients. I'm going to start with the cilantro. Gonna add our onions. Gonna toss in our tomatoes. Gonna mix in the jalapenos. Gonna squeeze the limes. And this is up to preference. You can put 2 if you want, depending on how sour you like it. And finally, we're going to add some salt. Alright, we're going to go ahead and mix these up. And again, these are all up to preference. So if you want more of something, feel free to add it. If you don't want that in there, take it out. Alright, we're going to do a quick taste here, just to see how it comes out. I think it needs just a tad more salt. That should do it. We're going to go ahead and plate it, get it with some chips, and get ready to serve it. Alright, this here's our final product. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. Please try it out and tell us what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope you enjoy this video, and we look forward to seeing you again.